Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you. It is a Glossybox. This is my PR box. This is sent to me for free from Glossybox to review, but all opinions are honest and my own. So you may be able to hear some outside noise. It's because my children are outside playing, and that's life. So I'm sorry, but it's happened. This was a bit late this month. It got lost the first time, so they very kindly sent it again, and I thought I would unbox it for you guys. Glossybox, if you don't know, is a monthly beauty subscription box. I will leave all the links down below, but you can get some money off your first box using my code, which I'll put here. I'll also leave a link where you can buy the box without using my code. You don't have to use it. It is an affiliate link. Affiliate links, if you aren't aware, are links where if something costs £10, if I use the affiliate link, use my affiliate link, I will get like 25p of the £10 that you pay. You don't pay any more, but I will get a very small portion of what you pay. And it's just a way I use affiliate links to help earn some money to put back into my channel, like to buy more boxes and do more product reviews and just generally live, because I am a stay-at-home mum and my job is YouTube and my greetings cards. So just want to be transparent about that. So yeah, let's get in. So it is the traditional box. Let's have a look. I know what's in it because I've already had my own subscription one that I give away to you guys. I'll link that video. I pay for a subscription. Oh, are you different? Are you different? I haven't got a card to tell you about anything, but I feel like I didn't get this in the other one. Pretty sure I didn't. So I've got an Ico Fat Liquid Eyeliner. I love these eyeliners, but I know a lot of people will say that you only get these eyeliners in boxes. Nobody seems to buy these eyeliners, and I'm okay with that because I really like them, but I know a lot of people will probably be cross because we get a lot of eyeliners in all beauty boxes, not just Glossybox. All beauty boxes tend to do a lot of eyeliners, and I feel like they do that because it's a universal thing. Like, you can't obviously put a foundation in a box because everyone's skin tone is different. You can't put a bronzer. You can put a bronzer in, but again, what looks nice on me is not going to look nice on someone that has a much deeper skin tone than me or a much paler skin tone than me. So I feel like with makeup products, you are limited to more like eye products, eyeshadows and eyeliners and lipsticks rather than face products, but you get what I mean. Next, we've got the Daily Concepts. I'm really excited about this because, as I said, I give away my box that I pay for myself. I do a giveaway with that every month, and I'm very excited because I really wanted these. And these are the daily reusable rounds. They are makeup remover pads. Oh my god, I didn't open the other ones because I was giving it away and I didn't want to touch them, but they're so soft. So you use these instead of cotton wool. So you put your cleanser on, rub your eyes and get all your makeup, and then you wipe off with these, and then you just wash them in the washing machine. And I love stuff like this because I use reusable pads like this. I use flannels and I use reusable period products. I don't use any disposable things like that anymore. So really happy with them. I've got a Beauty Pro avocado infused sheet mask. This is one of my favorites. I've had this a few times and I absolutely love it. This kind of Beauty Pros, the plant-based ones, they're just lovely. I really like them, so I'm excited for that. Then we've got the Mud Masky infused eye serum eye mask. So it's the one that you wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer under your eyes, and you leave it on for 8 minutes. And I don't know what the prices are because I haven't got the leaflet, but I'll try and find them and put them on the screen. If not, I'll link my other video which has got all the prices in as well. And I know this is going to piss some people off because we have had a lot of eye serum or eye products, eye creams, eye masks, all different things recently, and I know people are going to be annoyed with it, but I'm excited to try it, but I can totally get why people are cross. Next I've got eCooking's Moisture Boost. I can't remember what this does from the other one, and I've not got the thing, so I can't tell you. I think it's just a serum. So eCooking is always nice to use. They're cruelty free and vegan. And then the last thing is a hand sanitizer. So it's your sanitizer, 75% ethanol, aloe vera and vitamin E. And I can actually test this one because it's sealed, and I didn't, like I said, I didn't test anything. The kids are literally just on their scooters outside, so yeah, there's not a lot I can do about it. I would film in my bedroom, but I'm painting it, and it is like, it's a big mess. So yeah. Oh wow. Christ. That, don't smell that like that, because that is just straight alcohol. It says 75% ethanol, and fucking hell. Wow. It's made me feel a bit blurry. So yeah, it's a hand sanitizer, that's what we like, but just don't sniff it like I did, because that felt like someone just shoved a needle at my nose or something. Wow. But yeah, that was the box. If you like it, please do give this video a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. As I said, I do have one of these boxes that I purchased myself that I'm giving away. I will link that video. That is open until the 31st of January, and then I will pick a winner. It's open internationally. Thank you as always to Glossybox for sending me this box. You guys are amazing and I love you. But yeah, that was Glossybox for January, and I'm very aware that I am the last person in the world to open this box, but I wanted to, and I'm glad I did, because it's got something different in it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.